Hi everyone, welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. In today's video I am bringing you a very delicious juice. It is a soursop juice. This is a juice that we love to have, especially on a Sunday afternoon when we have our nice rice and peas and chicken in Jamaican. Today I'm bringing it to you all. So it really is a fruit that is, you know, green on the outside, and it do have some spikes, but in the middle, oh my, it's heaven there, you know, and it contains seeds as well. So I went to the store and I was able to get it in this form, and I was so excited. So today I'm bringing it to you all. And what I have here is my vanilla. Yes, vanilla will also bring up the flavor of this delicious juice, and my sweetened condensed milk. You can choose to sweeten it with the condensed milk, or you can go ahead and, you know, sweeten it with the brown organic sugar and add lime. Okay, the lime will bring the flavor up. And here are the rest of my ingredients, which is grated nutmeg and some salt. So guys, since it is frozen, I'm just gonna go ahead and use some warm water from the pipe just to kind of, you know, bring it down to smoothness, you know. Yeah. So guys, I just, you know, added one to my container in which I'm gonna be mixing the juice, and now here is the other one. There still remains some solids in it, but that's fine, because what I'm gonna do, I have some boiling water. You know, you can choose to add, you know, your tap water, it's fine, but I have some boiling water that, you know, it's not hot, it is warm. So I'm just gonna add some to that, because this is thick, you know, this is thick. And as you all can see, I'm already using 2 packs, right? So I'm just adding, you know, I just add some water to that just to kind of help with the melting, and also just stretched out, you know, the consistency. So guys, now we have it all fully melted. So at this point I'm gonna go ahead and add my condensed milk, and it's up to you how sweet you want your soursop juice to be. I will not be adding all of this. I had like 3/4, and now I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of vanilla, and that will bring up the flavor. My children call it ice cream juice. That's how delicious it is. And yes, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the nutmeg. And finally I'm gonna add the salt, and I'm just gonna stir it, guys. After stirring, I'm gonna go ahead and taste to see what else can I add. And it's tasting so delicious. It's rich too. So guys, you can go ahead and serve up your soursop juice with a lot of ice and just enjoy.